this week now, children week. Now I say, okay, make we talk with children this
We'll
week.
talk with children.
We
So
don't follow mommy, daddy talk since now. Say this week,
we'll put the phone line for the children.
and children won't follow
Make them talk how they
Yeah.
feel.
Make them talk.
Make them express themselves.
Yes.
Oh, una don hear am o, Lagos, Nigeria. We don start body matter as the matter be so. Adoke doctor say today na for your children to come call. Una go call sha, then una go give them the phone line. Make them tell us how they feel when they feel how they feel, so that doctor go fit tell them one or two things on how be say they fit take care of themselves one by one, two by two. I be not be so docky. So now the children 1 year
They
from.
go ask me, say if I go ask.
You go ask them.
It's question time, question and answer time. Anybody can do it. Let's do it, people. Oh yeah.
Hello.
Hello. Yes. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you? How are you? What's your name?
My name is Daniel.
Your name is what?
Hello.
Daniel. How old are you?
I am 6 years old.
6 years old. Okay, Daniel. The doctor is here, Dr. Fred. So this is a good time to talk with doctor. Are you scared of doctors?
No.
Very good.
Very good. Oh yeah, doctor, fire away.
Daniel, when you grow up, what do you want to be? Hey.
Daniel.
Doctor.
Go good.
Wait.
Good.
Daniel.
Yes.
Doctor.
Yes.
Okay, Daniel.
Very
Do you
good.
take your vitamins?
Yes.
How many times do you take it? Do you take it every day?
Yes.
How many times? Once or twice?
So,
Once. So what's your favorite food?
beans.
Beans. Doctor, tell her what the beans they give am oh.
So
I
Daniel,
like this.
you know when I was small, they would tell me that if you eat beans, you will grow tall. Did the mommy tell you that one?
Yes.
So are you growing tall now?
Are you growing tall?
Yes.
Yes.
Very good. Very good.
I love it.
Nice one.
Thank you
Nice
so much,
one.
Daniel.
Nice one.
My name is Ebenezer John.
Ebenezer John. Okay, how old are you?
5.
5. Very good. What do you want to be when you grow up? The doctor is here. What do you want to be when you grow up?
No.
Nurse.
Nurse.
Yeah.
Wow.
Very good.
I love it. Okay. Thank you, Daddy. Doctor, one of the important parts for a child can I say make the pikin fit dey express themselves.
Very, very important.
And this is one of the ways when we say as you talk make you be say take get used to talking with a doctor,
Yeah.
so that
Yeah.
they'll feel no I be say they fit
Yes.
talk when something they do them.
Their mind no go dey shake.
Look they shake.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, darling. What's your
My
name?
name is Favor from Surrey.
Favor. Now you be the pikin or now you be the mama? Make I know first.
I'm the King.
How can you be this pikin? Your voice is matured.
Favor, how old are you?
I'm 13 years old.
13.
Very good.
Very confident.
Yeah, in
Favor.
which class?
I'm in SS1.
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 Are you a science, commercial, or art student?
I'm science.
Science. Very good.
Okay.
Okay.
So I would like to ask a question.
Very
Go
good.
ahead.
So for how many months is required to be warm?
How many months is required to
To
deworm?
deworm. Very good
Oh,
question.
Favor. I suppose buy you pure water. Yes.
Stop
You are a
it.
very good student. Now, this is how it is. Thank you very much. Parents go tell you, say, I never deworm my pikin 3 months. I never deworm my pikin 3 months. But we know that if you know, say, you get good hygiene, at least 6 months.
6 months.
6 months.
Every 6 months, that's when
Yes.
you deworm.
But if you know, say, your hygiene is very poor, you don't know where waiting if you chop, just chop, then 3 months.
Every
but if
three
you get
months.
good hygiene, 6
Wow,
months.
thank you, sir.
Okay.
But and then one more question.
Yes, darling.
Can if you deworm lately, can it cause purging?
No, no, there is. I don't think there's a relationship between your deworming and
surgery.
purging.
Purging, okay.
I'm going to toilets.
Okay, thank you, Favor. See,
Okay, so thank
Favor,
you,
what's
sir.
your care for you? Now, babe, you be. In fact, now,
Wait,
babe.
when you grow up, what do you want to be?
Wait, till you want me when you grow up?
A gynecologist.
Gynecologist. Oh shit!
This one, you don't see.
Yes, I like this.
The day you pass this your jam, my darling, track me.
Yes.
The day you ready for the WAEC, my
Hey,
darling, track me.
correct.
Make we put money down, make it business. Now this guy one we define.
Yes.
We get time for one caller, just one caller from your son or your daughter. May they relate with Dr. Fredo Star. Who did the line?
Hello,
Hello, darling. What's your name?
Miracle.
Miracle. Miracle. How old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
Brilliant. 7 years old. Miracle. What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a nurse.
A
nurse.
nurse. Say, oh, Jesus, thank you.
nurse.
Thank God, though.
I beg, doctor.
Thank
Miracle.
God, though.
Are you not scared? Are you not scared of injection? Are you not scared of injection?
No.
You're not scared.
Miracle,
Yes.
I must buy you ice cream.
Oh, wow.
I must buy you ice cream.
Wow.
When I
Thank
see
you,
you.
sir.
Yes,
Thank you, sir.
yes.
You don't promise me, you go do a Miracle. Thank you,
Nah,
darling.
Miracle. Anytime Miracle see me, Miracle. If all the Miracle for Lagos come block me, it's not you.
Eh.
Don't come and be blocking.
Some miracle are more miraculous
Some
than others. But you know the thing will suit me. Now the question about the deworming, because for children, we they get a lot of cases of purging and diarrhea and whatnot. And in case una no hear doctor abeg repeat avec.
Abeg, first of all, even adults, you never deworm. First of all, somebody they tell me online, you never deworm for 12 years.
That's
so bad. I beg. So make a good deworm. Then for your kids, then parents, I beg you, before you even carry those children less than 1 year for deworm, leave them. I beg. Leave less than 1 year for deworm. Leave them alone.
Okay.
I beg you. Even if you want deworm, let's say from 3 years above, make una no scatter their belly.
Or make them leave them.
I beg you.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You didn't miss Wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chookmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chookmouth.